ho, ho, ho.
Break my teeth clamping them.
Well, I think Leo's workplace was the perfect example of that.
Didn't even look. Oh, now you may. You have no plate, no lights, which means you are a wanker, sir.
Half 4 to 6. Oh, it's not even half 4 to 6. It's 4 till 6. So enjoy the bus fine there, dude.
Slowly.
Is the Undertaker after Undertaking now? Yeah.
Oh, it's an international plate.
Green light means go.
Idiot! Coming up on my inside.
She managed to get a bit of time off. If you were working through it, boys to play you. But first, if we're making today feel more like a weekend, this is really how we have to start.
Doing wonderful there, Mr. Range Rover.
Use the right.
Yeah, that's in park somewhere for
A long time.
quite some time.
Yeah, it's Quite the specimen.
Even if I had have gone, the car behind me would have gone. Oh, 1, 2, yeah, we'll have those. Yeah.
You definitely ran that red light. Oh my god! So did you lot! Well, 2 different models of a Nissan bicycle. Available for delivery for Christmas, the Qashqai or the Micro, your choice. Well, you've got a Ford pickup bike, a Tesla bike, and a Ford Transit bike. So, if you're looking for a bicycle this Christmas for the children or for anyone in your family, please consider a bike from Ford or Tesla. They all seem to be at the front of the pack. Oh. That is all smashed up. Whoops. Wonder when we finish our weekly shopping we'll get another angle. Certainly is. Can't park there. That's getting tired, isn't it?
Another one.
Another one that's smashed up.
It is absolutely and
Oh, nice. RL54 Mog. And a tractor!
Probably have a look now.
Oh yeah, local scumbags out and about for a group circle jerk ride. No, alright. You going or not? Okay, fine, you're not going then. He's bigger than me.